Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Are you tired of throwing away empty glass bottles? Today, we are transforming that everyday trash into stunning, eco-friendly garden edging. Stick around as I show you 13 beautiful and free ways to upgrade your landscape using upcycled materials. Let us make your garden shine. Welcome back to the garden. Let us look at this beautiful frosted glass border. By simply applying a frosted spray to clear bottles and planting them neck down in the soil, you create a wonderfully soft texture. As the golden hour sunlight hits the glass, the light diffuses so smoothly across your flower beds. It is a fantastic upcycled project that gives your landscaping a highly elegant, quiet, and peaceful atmosphere without needing expensive materials. For a completely different texture, try this deep buried cobblestone effect. We are taking identical glass bottles and burying them so only the thick, dimpled bottoms remain visible at ground level. It creates a smooth, highly reflective surface that looks just like expensive polished stone. This eco-friendly border provides a very sturdy boundary that perfectly lines the manicured lawn. The sunlight makes those intricate glass patterns shine brilliantly, giving your backyard a luxurious feel. If you love vivid colors, this rainbow gradient bottle edging is going to be your favorite. By collecting bottles in various shades of green, blue, brown, and clear, you can arrange them in a flawless color spectrum. Planted upside down, they form a striking visual boundary along the garden path. When the daylight passes through this colorful spectrum, it brings a playful yet highly sophisticated architectural structure to your stylish, serene backyard cottage garden. Here is a great way to combine natural elements with upcycled glass. For this river rock weighted edging, we fill transparent bottles with small, colorful natural stones before inserting them neck down into the earth. The smooth river rocks contrast beautifully with the reflective outer glass. It acts as a heavy, sturdy barrier that securely separates your blooming lavender from the green lawn. It is a highly realistic, earthy design that elevates the garden space. Check out the unique geometry of this angled braided bottle border. By digging a slanted trench and placing the bottles neck down at a precise 45-degree angle, they overlap beautifully. This creates a continuous braided glass effect bordering the grass. Using alternating shades of green and amber glass highlights the smooth cylindrical curves. It acts as a dynamic, flowing boundary that elevates your quiet, luxurious garden with its truly unique architectural craftsmanship. Let us add some movement to the landscape with this alternating heights wave edging. We bury green and clear glass bottles at varying depths to form a continuous, undulating wave pattern. This dynamic design creates a mesmerizing rhythm along the flower bed. The brilliant reflections on the exposed glass surfaces capture the warm sunlight perfectly. It transforms discarded bottles into an artistic sculptural element that functionally and beautifully defines the edge of your lawn. For a sleek and modern look, you can utilize strictly upcycled square or rectangular olive oil bottles. Planted tightly side by side, they form a clean, geometric edge. The striking array of golden green and clear glass emphasizes sharp corners and flat reflective panels. This project delivers a high-end architectural feel, turning simple shapes into a precise, perfectly leveled garden boundary that strongly contrasts with the soft organic shapes of the surrounding plants. add a whimsical touch to your landscape with this vibrantly colored sand-filled bottle edge. We take clear glass bottles and fill them with distinct layers of brightly colored sand. Buried upside down, they form a solid and highly eye-catching barrier. The smooth, reflective glass perfectly showcases the granular texture of the vivid sand layers inside. This creative project acts as a sturdy garden border while bringing a premium, artistic feature to your backyard. If you prefer a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, you will love this natural jute twine wrapped edging. We wrap the exposed upper halves of upside-down glass bottles tightly in organic jute twine. The tinted glass peeks through, creating a stunning contrast between the reflective smooth surface and the rough natural fibers. This eco-friendly project flawlessly merges sustainable design with nature, providing a sturdy, detailed boundary that perfectly complements the serene environment of your garden. Create a sleek, low-profile garden boundary with this horizontal trench bottle line. Instead of burying them vertically, we lay tall wine bottles horizontally end-to-end in a shallow trench. This design forms a continuous, smooth glass line that elegantly separates your garden zones. The mix of deep green and rich amber glass captures the surrounding environment beautifully. It provides a minimalist, contemporary boundary relying on clean horizontal geometry for a sophisticated landscaping feature. Turn your garden boundary into an outdoor gallery with these painted mandala bottom bottles. We bury upcycled glass bottles upside down, but first, we hand paint their circular bottoms in colorful, intricate mandala patterns using outdoor acrylics. This showcases delicate brushstrokes and vivid pigments adhering perfectly to the glass. It offers a wonderfully aligned, sturdy visual barrier that brings a vibrant, artisanal charm to your luxurious cottage garden while still being highly functional and eco-friendly. Bring a touch of luxury to your yard with this sun catcher metallic bottom edging. We coat the exterior bottoms of the upside-down bottles in highly reflective metallic silver and gold paint. As the golden hour sunlight hits them, they act as miniature sun catchers lining the garden bed. This meticulously aligned edging provides a sturdy boundary while adding a brilliant metallic sheen that perfectly contrasts with the organic soil of your eco-friendly landscape. Finally, define your garden space clearly with this alternating color checkered edging. By strictly alternating between dark brown and pristine clear glass bottles planted upside down, you create a high-contrast visual boundary. The deep, rich opacity of the brown glass looks stunning next to the brilliant transparency of the clear glass. This functional edging utilizes simple color alternation to produce a sophisticated, environmentally conscious architectural landscaping masterpiece that beautifully frames your manicured green lawn. That wraps up our 13 glass bottle garden edging ideas. From frosted finishes to colorful sand and rainbow gradients, upcycling has never looked so beautiful in the yard. I hope these daylight-catching designs inspire your next outdoor project. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and let me know your favorite idea in the comments below.